Just relentless, yo. The pictures are all done.
Oh. What the hell is you doing?
Making sure you're ready. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Denita. This is my mom. Hi. Guys, I'm so happy this style came out so good. Stay tuned so you guys can see how we achieved this style. And make sure that you comment and subscribe below because I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'll help your girl out. Subscribe below right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna get into the video. We got this from the hair store today. Yes, the hair store was open during quarantine. So we got this, and this is Spring Coil Curl, and supposedly one whole pack is supposed to be for the whole style. I don't know if this is gonna be for the whole style. Alright, and then I'm gonna be using this to moisturize her hair. And then I just have some detangling tools that I'm gonna be using along the way. I also have some scissors just in case she acts up, then we'll just cut it all off and then just start again just like that. You guys see my waves though? Come on now. Come on. Your boyfriend don't got waves like this. Anyways, so I'm starting off by sectioning her hair and I am pinning the rest up. I'm moisturizing the hair that I'm going to be working with, combing it through to make sure it doesn't have any tangles and stuff in it like that. Then I am squaring off a section I'm going to be working with. So to start with it, I am going to go ahead and braid down near her scalp. So from the root, I'm going to be braiding down, and then once I get a little bit of space from her scalp and getting a good grip on it, I'm going to start twisting too. So I braid down maybe about like ½ an inch, and then I twist the rest of the way down. I'm going to show you guys again. So I'm moisturizing, I'm braiding, and that's going to be really important to get the braid at the scalp. And then I am twisting the rest of the way down. So the point of having the braid at the root is to make sure that when we're latching the hair on later, that it's tight enough and that you'll have a good grip on it. So I just continue to do this throughout her whole entire head. It may be easier if you moisturize that head beforehand so you don't have to go through each section adding moisturizer every single time. I could also have just added the moisturizer to her whole head and then just went through each section. So now starting off with latching the hair on, I'm going to pull my latch hook all the way through. I'm going to hook the hair on. I'm working with 2 strands for each part. And then I'm going to close the latch hook, pull it through, and I'm going to open up the latch hook. Sometimes I struggle with opening up the latch hook, but guys, it gets easier. This is only like the second one I did. So then I'm going to make that loop a little bit bigger. I'm going to pull her hair, and I'm going to pull the extension hair through the loop, making like a small knot at the top. So I'm just making sure that I pull down in the hair so that it's tight to her scalp, and then I'm always twisting to the right. As far as I know, as long as you twist to the right, it comes out nice. I never had a problem with when I twist to the right with this hair. I did at some point twist to the left, and for some reason the whole entire twist was looking I don't even know, bumped up. It was not right. It was not it. So I would just recommend twisting to the right, making sure that you're sealing in her hair or your hair as you're going along. So if you need to add a little bit more moisturizer, that's fine. Just do it so that it's silky, it's in there. This hair is extremely bouncy. I love it. So I'm going to show you guys a couple more times so you don't have to really rewind for this video. You guys will see me do it a bunch more times. I'm just going to give you guys some tips as we're watching. So again, I am just looping the hair through and her hair, pulling it through. I forgot some hair behind in this one. Look at me messing it all up. And I can just go back and pull that through. So that's what I did. And guys, the biggest thing with this is, yes, it takes practice. It is pretty easy though. And then you're just twisting all the way down. So this one, I remember I left this in the video because I wanted you guys to see what will happen if you guys don't braid close enough to the root. So for that middle braid, I didn't braid tight enough at the root so that the latch hook, when I'm twisting it, is slipping down. So essentially I had to redo that one. So I left some at the top so I can show you guys also how I'm doing the top ones. I'm doing it exactly like the ones in the back, but if you would like a little bit more of like a messy look. I've been seeing some people, you can actually leave one of the strands out that you're working with. So you would just take apart one of the extension strands, the curls, before you start twisting it down. So I didn't do it on this side, but I ended up doing it on the other side of her hair because she wanted it to be a little bit fuller on one side for her side part. So again, I'm pulling my latch hook through, I'm latching the hair on, closing the latch, pulling the hair all the way through, which we've now created a loop, opening the loop, taking the extension hair and her hair, pulling it through. You see how fast I got with this, guys? Feel me? My skills is quick learner. My skills is elite. All right, so then again, you're just gonna twist down. The most important part with twisting down the hair is making sure that the person's hair or your hair is inside the twist. So you're smoothing it down as you're twisting. As every single time I'm twisting, I'm also smoothing it. Okay, girl. Okay. Let me see the other side. Okay. Why are you coming up off the bed to turn?
Because I can't turn if I get off the bed.
How do you like the style?
Oh, it's really nice. Very easy to take care of. What's that? What the hell?
Just tell them you like it. Is it lit? Is it nice? Do you like it?
I really like it.
For real, do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what do you like about it?
I like to shine on it, and it's easy to take care of.
Okay, we'll go for that. Alright guys, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm hoping that this is a video. So make sure you guys do that before you guys leave. I will see you guys later. Bye. Do you like it?
I love it.
What is wrong with you? Just be regular, please.
I was. So just tell me what answers you're not looking for.
And you don't have to spell that. You don't have to spell that.
Okay, all right.